There we go. Oh, he's a big one. He is a big one. I am worried about how good I have him hooked, but he's big. Let's try to get him in. All right, so we're down here today at the Casselman River. I've fished this river just one time before. Today I like to explore, so I'm gonna try a different section. We're gonna walk downstream from where I fished before, then start walking back up. Yeah, we're gonna hop in here, see what we can pull out. Right. Wasn't the easiest path down, but certainly wasn't the hardest I've been on either. We're gonna start off throwing this 3-inch natural brown color Helgermite extra wide gap hook, 1/16 ounce. We'll start off there. If we're not getting anything, we'll downgrade something a little bit smaller. That was a bite over there, which is probably too small to get it. Yeah, oh, there we go. That didn't take long. Oh yeah, I don't think I mentioned, but when I fished here last time, it was basically all smallmouth, so that's what I'm expecting to get again. Not huge, but not a bad one to start off with. Nice little smallmouth. There's a nice one. Yeah, he's definitely bigger than the last one we had. Oh yeah, it's very nice. Very nice smallmouth. Just don't break off. 4-pound test, because I don't learn my lesson. Got him. No, he's not. I mean, he's nice. He's definitely a good size, but not as big as he felt. I mean, there's a nice smallie. So it doesn't seem like there's any shortage of fish here, so I don't want to waste my time in a shallow place if I don't have to. Might be a little deep hole right around here. It looks like it could be. There we go. Yep. It's another decent sized one. This Casselman River. Smallies are nice. It's not as big as the last one, but still not a bad one. No, he's nowhere near as big as I thought he was. Still nice big belly on him. Nice size smallie right there. All right, thanks, buddy. There's another one. Doesn't feel huge, but I figured this is probably about the size you're going to catch in this section. Not real deep, but there's some small little holes here. Right there. Another little guy. I might have gotten too close, but there's a hole here right in front of me. Give it a shot. Let's throw it far beyond the hole and bring it in. There we go. Ah. Definitely took it. There's the hole right here. Should get a bite somewhere around here. There we go. Feels pretty nice. He looks pretty nice too. Oh yeah. He's probably on par with that other big one we had. Another nice size one. Not a bad smallie at all right there. Let him go. There we go. He doesn't feel too big. We'll take him though. Probably the smallest one we got today. There's one. Oh, I came off. There's another one. It's right around that same area. I don't know if it's the same one or not, but he's not. It's about the same size as that one that I had hooked. We will take them. Oh, he got off. Looks like a really nice spot right there. There we go. Didn't take long. Nice smallmouth. Nice smallmouth right there. The little one. Very little, but we'll take them. Little smallie. It's cold. That water must be cold over there. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one too. Yeah, nice, not that nice. He's a fish that we haven't caught anything in a while. So, it's a nice one. Very close to his eye. I want to make sure I don't get him in the eye. Just calm down, guy. I just want to show you real fast. There he is. It's the first one we've had in a little bit. We'll take him. a little hole right here. Oh yeah. Oh. He didn't take it all the way, but that was a quick bite. There we go. A little small one. There we go. Oh, he's a big one. He is a big one. I am worried about how good I have him hooked, but he's big. Probably the biggest of the day. Let's try to get him in. Nice. A big one. He's probably, if he's not the biggest, he's let me wash him off real fast. He's not the biggest, he's right up there. Alright, that's going to be it. Had a pretty good day. Got a decent amount of smallmouth. Some nice size ones. So yeah, we're going to wrap up. That's going to be it. Thanks for watching.